Welcome back, guys, to 509. If you want to get into the hobby and don't want to spend too much money, this might be the best truck to get. So I had a few people ask me to review this truck. So this is a 1/10 scale, 2-wheel drive, brushed monster truck. And usually they're pretty cheap. I got it for 120. It used to be $100. Sometimes like Black Fridays, you could get it for like 70, 60. So you could get some really good deals on this truck. So here's what's in the box. You got your manual, tools, then you got your battery charger, batteries for the remote. Here's the remote. I don't know what that does. And here's the truck. So you got beefy tires. Let me take the cover off real quick. So here's just a quick look on the inside. Kind of seems like the front shocks are kind of low on the oil. Back seems fine. Maybe it's just like that. So here's the motor. I seen a couple of people convert it to a brushless so you could get more power out of it. And here's the battery where it's right here. So it does come with the battery. Nickel metal hydrate, 1800 milliamp battery. And these kind of take forever to charge. So we're gonna be using this first, and then I'm gonna run a LiPo. So you can't run a LiPo battery on here. You just have to switch this piece right here. For $100, it's a pretty good truck, I would say, to start out with. Some of my first cars I had were from Radio Shack, and they were like about 60, $100, and they're pretty cool. But you know, if something broke, good luck finding parts. Nice thing about this that it's an Arrma, so if anything breaks, you can just go on their site and order the parts. So for $100, I think it's a pretty good truck to start out with. It's actually pretty quick. Ooh, even drifts. That's pretty fun. So it does say it goes like 20 miles an hour. See if we could, we probably can't climb that. Oh, almost. Woo. Okay, we got a good old plywood jump. There we go. Now I just gotta aim for the line. Nice. So I had a couple people ask me like, what kind of car should I buy my kids? And they ended up buying this car, and I mean, they love it, the kids love it. So it's a pretty cool truck. I'd rather buy this than buy something from like Walmart or Target. And then once it breaks, good luck finding some parts for it. I remember I had a car from Radio Shack, and I think I had it for like a week, and then I broke something, and yeah, that was just the end of it. Okay, I was kind of messing around with the steering. It was a little off. Kind of still is. That was pretty fun. A little burnout right here. Yeah, for $100, it's a pretty good quality truck. I know some people might say like, oh, if you're getting into it, you know, go brushless and stuff like that. But you know, if you're getting into it and you just want to try it out, you don't want to spend too much money on it. You know, this is a perfect truck right here. Okay, let's see if we could climb up this hill. Oh, dude, no problem. Honestly thought I was gonna be having a hard time. Ooh, drift. Dude, it's so fun on dirt. Let's see if we could get a drift going. Oh, kind of had it. Oh, and I think the battery died. Okay, so the battery just died. I think I ran it for about like 15 minutes. I ran it a little bit before. So, I mean, it's not too bad, but how long it charges kind of sucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it to the LiPo battery. So now I have to switch this guy and put it on LiPo. There you go. Ooh, definitely feels a lot better. Ooh. I mean, if I got this as a kid as a birthday gift, man, I would have been so happy. Even if I got it right now for my birthday, I would have been happy. Yeah, this thing is pretty fun. You could turn down the speed just in case it's too fast. So here, I'm gonna turn it all the way down. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is a pretty good speed to learn how to like just churn. So this is the lowest, and then crank it back up. Oh yeah. So the bottom is plastic. You can see it already kind of scraped from jumping. But overall the truck looks good quality. I mean, way better than, you know, if you bought something like a New Bright or something like that. We got our plywood jump set up. Oh yeah. Jumps a lot farther now. We almost jumped the whole curb right here. Okay, I think we might be able to clear the whole grass right here. Let's see if we could do that. Oh, almost. Car's still good though. Dude, this thing hauls now with the LiPo. So I'm using my backpack as a ramp. Let's see if we get some downhill jumping going on here. It's kind of hard to line up the jump though. Ooh, that was a cool one. Yeah, climbs the hill super easy. Front flip. We landed. Yeah, overall pretty cool truck. And like I said, if you want to get into the hobby, don't want to spend so much money, I think this is a perfect truck. You could always upgrade it, you could get parts for it. And you know, you could just move on and once you get used to it. So that's it for this video. I'll try uploading more videos. Winter times are just the worst time for me. The days are short, weekends are kind of busy, so hopefully pretty soon I'll be posting a lot more. I got a couple more cars coming in I'm pretty excited about, so Stay tuned, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.